Welcome to JH. You might have heard of Yourmoney.idaho.gov, a site that claims to be the official hub for Idaho's unclaimed property. It's the place where residents can search for and claim money the state is just casually holding on to for them. Sounds like a dream, right? Or perhaps a very elaborate prank. But is it actually legitimate? Let's find out if you're about to get rich or just get your identity stolen. We started by diving into the wild world of Facebook feedback to see what real people are saying. Plenty of users are sharing their wins, with some being genuinely surprised to find unclaimed cash just sitting there under their names. Apparently, you don't even need a property ID to search, just your last name, city, and zip code. It's almost too easy, like the state is actually trying to give money back for once. A few people were understandably nervous about handing over their social security numbers, but the tech-savvy crowd pointed out the HTTPS in the address, confirming it's a legitimate state site and not a basement operation run by a Nigerian prince. Next, we looked at the website's age. The domain was registered back in May 2002, making it older than most of the interns probably running it. Over 20 years of existence usually signals stability and reliability, rather than a here today, gone tomorrow scam that popped up overnight. They're also surprisingly active on Facebook, which is a nice touch. Seeing actual updates and interactions suggests they're transparent and responsive, or at least they have a social media manager who hasn't quit yet. If you're still skeptical, they list multiple contact numbers and a physical address for support. That's a massive plus because real scams love hiding behind a single, broken email form that leads to a digital void. So, after digging through the evidence, is the site safe? The answer is a resounding yes. Between the long history, the social media presence, and the positive user reviews, it's actually trustworthy. You can safely go ahead and see if Idaho owes you a coffee or a small fortune. Thanks for sticking around until the end. And if this helped you find some spare change, don't forget to subscribe for more updates.